What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the first video as M&J Garage. We have a couple exciting things coming up in this video. So first off, we have the first detail of my new car, which is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA 45 AMG. Awesome car, 2-liter turbo, all-wheel drive hatchback, pushing like 350 horsepower, so that's pretty cool. And then Jackson also got a new car, which is a 2013 Audi S5 Quattro, obviously, 3.0 liter supercharged engine. They both sound amazing. You're going to see the first detail of my new car, a little bit of footage from the Woodfield Cars and Coffee, and then as well as a little bit of footage from when Jack and I took our new cars to Door County to do a little bit of spirited driving, you know, break them in, get used to how the cars drive a little bit. So yeah, guys, let's jump right into that.
I'm in a new Rari, that shit sketch on. That's a new bitch, yeah. Fuck her, that she mom. New white shit, on tools on.
We be vibing at the party and we ballin' now. Yeah, I'm drippin' like a motherfucker. Got a bad bitch, top of the Take a pull up on the track, yeah, we stoppin' on the feet.
Top of the I'm in a new Rari, that shit sketch on. That's a new bitch, yeah. Fuck her, that she mom. New white shit, on tools on.
Diamonds on Christmas, chopper, rapper, pop. Shawty on my dick, I told her take off your car. She banging my song, everybody get along. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Cocaine rich, yeah. Off of that beat, yeah. More and rich, yeah. Don't know me, yeah. I'm about to check. She wanna fuck, but I only want the neck. Feel a little big, then I'm on right to the next. Shoot my shot every time I hit the neck. Top of the That's a new bitch, yeah. Fuck with this, she
Top of the I'm in a new Rari, that shit sketch on. That's a new bitch, yeah. Fuck her, that she mom. New white shit, on tools on.
Kelly keep going crazy.
Up top, can't drop down. Turn the homies, don't look around, it's just us now. Up top, can't drop down. Tell the homies, don't look around, it's just us now. Got a plain Jane, cost more than a bus down. Let's be honest, shit I did on Ellen way. Bipolar syndrome kicking in off what I'm inhaling. What he gon' do now? Ain't no telling. 6 foot on the money, I be 6'11". Jumping at the 3, man, it's now or never. Never, going home, never. What we did was off the record. Just had a deep thought in myself, baby wrist riding around, we gon' take the risk. Asking tits on 84s, that shit hard to miss. Called Tiana, told her I'ma need a fade to fit. I'ma break it.
I'll make sure that's not a cop over
Yeah. My bad, that shit was just loud as fuck.
saying I'm recording a video.
Hey, is your bag? Yeah,